Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted Discord server history. First, unlock your phone and open the Discord app. Wait for it to load completely before moving to the next step. Once you're inside Discord, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your account settings and other available options. Now tap the settings icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. Here you'll find different sections related to your Discord account. Scroll down through the settings until you reach the support section. This area provides access to Discord's help resources and support options. After opening support, you can search for information related to your problem. If you need further assistance, use the help option to contact Discord support directly. If you can't find a solution, tap Submit a Request and explain your issue in detail. Include all relevant information about the deleted server or messages so the support team can review your request. If the server or its history was deleted accidentally and recovery is still possible, Discord support may be able to assist you. However, if the server or message history has been permanently deleted, recovery is generally not possible. And that's how you can request help to recover deleted Discord server history. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.